Ola has introduced its all-new electric scooter S1 and S1 Pro priced at rupees 99,999 for the S1 model and 129,999 for the S1 Pro model. This is not the review of the Ola electric scooter, but today we will discuss about the cost and the components involved in making an electric scooter. Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Get Electrified, an EV podcast in India. Before we begin, a happy Independence Day to each one of you. Today, let us discuss what are the main components which are needed to make an electric vehicle. Gasoline vehicles, which we see on a day to day basis, are powered by the fuel which is injected into the engine, which gives power to run the vehicle. Similarly, electric vehicles also have battery in place of the fuel, which is then powering the motor, the electric motor, to produce power to run the vehicle. As the battery produces DC power, we also have an inverter to convert the DC current into the AC current. We also have chargers and other things to charge the battery and make the vehicle run. These are some of the unique modules different from the normal gasoline vehicles, but we also have some similar modules in between the two vehicles, which are the wheels, the chassis of the vehicle, the brakes, the discs, the throttle, and all other things, which are very similar to gasoline vehicles and can be refitted and rearranged in some form of things in the electric vehicles too. Now let us discuss the costs involved in making an electric scooter. How much does all these parts cost, and why are electric scooter more than the normal gasoline scooters at this point of time? Let us take the Ola Electric S1 scooter for example. The Ola Electric S1 scooter has a 3.92 kilowatt hour of battery, and it also has an electric motor of 8.5 kilowatt of peak power. So let us take the cost of battery first. According to my research, the average cost of a battery cell is $115 or 7,500 rupees per kilowatt of hour of battery cell. So if you take the Ola electric scooter for example, it has 3.92 kilowatt of hour of battery. If you break it down to 4 kilowatts, we are looking around 30,000 to 35,000 of battery cost, which is going into the Ola electric scooter. This may be slightly lesser as Ola purchases or does the battery packs on its own, but the average cost of electric vehicle lithium ion batteries are 7,500 rupees per kilowatt, which comes down to 30,000 to 40,000 for the Ola electric scooter. So you can see that for the ex-showroom price of 99,999, 30 to 40% of the entire cost of the electric scooter is the batteries. So the battery costs are high in an electric vehicle. If you take the electric motor for an example, the 8 kilowatt hour motor in an Ola electric scooter can cost anywhere from 8,000 rupees to 12,000 rupees. So only the battery and electric motor we are seeing prices anywhere between 50,000 rupees to 55,000 rupees. After that, we also have many modules such as inverters, chargers, the AC/DC current. We also have similar functionalities like the wheels, the shocks, the brakes, the discs, and everything. So, if you take into consideration each piece of the electric vehicle, we are seeing anywhere between 65,000 to 70,000 on making the electric vehicle. So there are also a lot of costs involved in making the price of a product, like the marketing costs. There are also the operating system which is installed in the electric vehicle. There are lots of costs which are involved where the business people take the decision. But uh, only for the parts and everything, we are seeing anywhere between 65,000 to 75,000 to make an electric vehicle. So if you compare this with the similar kind of scooter, which is TVS Ntorq, we are seeing anywhere the showroom price of TVS Ntorq is 80,000 rupees in India right now. So the question arises, why are the electric scooters or electric vehicles more expensive than the normal scooters, right? So much of the cost, like I said, 30 to 40% of all these costs comes from the battery price. So the average cost of the battery price, as I said, as I mentioned, is 75,000 rupees per cell. But according to some research papers which I read, I came to know that the price of the batteries for the electric vehicles can go down to 5,000 rupees or 4,500 rupees in the coming years, which will be a huge benefit for the consumers like us to buy an electric vehicle. So these are the things which we discussed in this episode of the podcast. We have discussed the main components of an electric vehicle. We also discussed the cost involved in making an electric vehicle. We have taken the Ola electric scooter for example, but the cost can vary. These are my personal research which I did on my own. Before we wrap up this episode, my personal review on the Ola electric scooter pricing is the Ola has given us a very aggressive pricing. If you see similar kind of electric vehicles like the Ather and the Ather 450X, we are seeing anywhere between 30,000 to 50,000 of price gap between the both electric scooters. And also Ola has given us a better scooter and also a good looking scooter with a wide variety of features which come into play, like 10-inch touch display with built-in speakers to listen to songs, and also a multi-widget library which you can customize the look and feel of the bike. So I think Ola has done a tremendous good job on the pricing of the vehicle, and also as it is made in India, and also one of the biggest factory, the Ola Future factory, is uh, built in India, and many of the vehicles will be shipped across the world from India. I think we should support the direction which the Ola Electric is taking. On my behalf, I congratulate Ola Electric and all the people involved in making this Ola Electric scooter. A huge congratulations on your launch, and may the launch and the sales of the electric scooter reach sky high limits and make a record in India. So thank you everyone to tuning into this podcast. We'll see you in the next episode on coming Friday. This episode is sponsored by Anurcast, a podcast hosting and distribution platform. If you want to make a podcast and want to become a podcaster, on want to know how to make podcasts and join the podcast community in India, please log into www.ainurcast.com and make your first podcast. Happy podcasting. See you next week.